Hello again, this is Charmil, and now we're going to learn the guitar plucking pattern for the chords F sharp minor. Okay, this is the F sharp minor. To learn the guitar plucking pattern of F sharp minor, for thumb, 6th string. For finger 1, 3rd string. Finger 2, 2nd string. Finger 3, 1st string. Finger 2, 2nd string. Finger 1, 3rd string. And for the thumb, 6th string. Now, this is the guitar pattern for F sharp minor. See? Very easy. You can do it. Bye!